Samsung's big One UI 8.5 upgrade could be arriving soon on Galaxy phones. Here are 5 of the most exciting features. The Galaxy smartphone customers will soon be able to properly control their notifications with a new AI-driven feature called Priority Notifications. It's scheduled to appear with the next One UI 8.5 update, and it has been seen in a leaked software version. It is designed to automatically detect and highlight significant alerts at the top of the notification screen. By integrating Galaxy AI intelligent filtering with user customizing choices, Samsung intends to make notifications more structured and less cluttered. The upgrade is scheduled to debut alongside the S26 series early next year. Samsung is aiming to make alerts on Galaxy devices smarter and more structured with a new feature dubbed Priority Alerts in its next One UI 8.5 update. The feature, which first appeared in leaked firmware last week but wasn't functional at the time, has now been spotted working in a new leaked build, initially spotted by folks at Sammy Fans. This offers us a nice look at how the feature will appear and operate. Priority notifications will purportedly employ Galaxy AI to automatically detect alerts that may be essential and display them above other notifications. The feature description reads, "Notifications that may be important will appear above other notifications to make sure you don't miss them." Users will also likely be able to choose which apps can send high-priority notifications, giving them control over what gets highlighted. Leaked screenshots, supplied by Sandeep Adap on X, also suggest that the priority notifications would display at the very top of the notification window, distinct from standard alerts. They include a slight glow effect and appear with a Galaxy AI-style gradient, making them stand out clearly. Importantly, Samsung states that all notification processing would happen immediately on the device, protecting privacy and avoiding data from being transferred to cloud services. The addition of priority notifications is expected to decrease clutter in the notification panel, a problem most smartphone users confront every day. By combining AI-backed detection with user control, Samsung is attempting to make key warnings easier to identify without obscuring others. Apple and Google, on the other hand, also offer comparable solutions, such as Apple's Priority Notifications in iOS 18.4 and Google's Priority Conversations on Pixel smartphones. But Samsung's method merges automation with manual input for more flexibility. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the deployment, earlier sources suggested that the One UI 8.5 beta test could begin in late November. However, that deadline may have been postponed. The stable version of One UI 8.5 is scheduled to launch alongside the S26 series early next year, possibly marking the public availability of priority notifications for Galaxy users globally. Samsung One UI 8, based on Android 16, has been trickling out to Galaxy smartphones over the last several months. But the next major software upgrade is already on the horizon in the form of One UI 8.5, and quite a few of its features have been leaked. One UI 8.5 isn't yet official, but the hopes are that Samsung will start a beta program before the end of the year, and then roll out the full overhaul to its phones and tablets sometime in 2026. The S26 series will probably get the new software first, that is for sure. But as yet we don't know which additional handsets are going to be compatible. While we wait for One UI 8.5 to materialize, here are 5 suspected additions we've heard about. It looks as though One UI 8.5 is going to provide extra options to prioritize certain notifications above others, something that may assist sort through the flood of alerts that most of us get on our phones every day. There have been criticisms that Samsung has been neglecting hardware camera advancements on its flagship phones in recent years, but there are at least upgrades coming in One UI 8.5 to help mobile photographers. Camera presets. Android Authority has discovered references to these presets in a leaked preview of the future software, meaning you'll be able to set up particular settings for ISO, exposure, shutter speed, and so on, and switch between them as needed. From camera setups to image editing, and tipster Tarun Vats has uncovered that the Object Eraser tool is integrated right into the Generative edit workflow in the Samsung Gallery app that comes preloaded on Galaxy devices. This isn't a significant change. It's not a new feature, it's just an existing feature being moved. But it means you'll be able to leverage the power of AI to delete an object in an image with fewer taps, via the Generative Edit button, the glittering stars. Another feature uncovered in leaked code by Android Authority is what's referred to as an adaptive data saver feature. Going by the name and references in the code, that means the social media videos won't load automatically, but only when you manually pick them. That will be helpful to folks on limited data plans or with a poor connection to the internet. However, we'll have to wait and see exactly how this works. As per the code, the video speed and quality won't change in most circumstances. The Edge panel is a pop-out box of shortcuts available in One UI 8, and it looks as though the upcoming software update is likely to provide some extra versatility to this panel, according to the folks over at Sam Mobile. Specifically, the Edge panel may handle landscape orientation for the first time, making it easier to view and use when the screen is rotated. As with all of these changes though, we'll have to wait and see if it makes the final cut. In One UI 8.5, experts at Android Authority have stumbled across a string of code showing that it will have a feature called Adaptive Data Saver. According to its description, when you are using social networking apps, this function will load videos just when you are ready to watch them. We guess when you hit the play button, and not before it. It may also halt auto-playing videos. In this way, if you weren't going to watch a video, rest confident that the phone hasn't wasted data to load it. Samsung believes that when you are utilizing Adaptive Data Saver, you will not notice any decrease in video speed or quality, in most circumstances at least. The actual description reads, use less data in social media apps by only downloading videos when you're ready to watch them. In most circumstances, you won't notice any change in video speed or quality. With it, consumers may limit the quantity of mobile data a Galaxy phone uses, which will help them reduce their network fees. Most of us have unlimited Wi-Fi and mobile data plans. However, that may not hold true for everyone around the globe. For them, this feature could be a boon. Samsung is anticipated to unveil One UI 8.5 with the S26 series. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.